Hello friends, let's see how I am going to prepare soil mix for growing vegetables in my organic balcony garden. I had some 12 inches plastic pots in my garden and growing few types of vegetables and gourds. These pots are sufficient to grow them, but the yield is not great. Sometimes the size of the fruits will be smaller or the number of fruits will be like 7 to 8 per plant. So I decided to replace few 12 inches pots with 20 liters paint bucket. I bought the bucket for 50 rupees each from a painter. The same bucket will cost me 100 rupees from local hardware shops. I'll be reusing the same soil. The soil in the old pots are almost 4 years old. I also bought garden soil and ready mix from Lalbagh Nursery in Bangalore. Normal red soil costed me 100 rupees per 25 kgs bag and ready mix costed me 170 rupees per 25 kgs bag. I bought vermicompost 25 kgs at 400 rupees. So these are the soil taken from the old pots, and these are the buckets I need to fill the soil. I am now adding red soil and ready mix to the soil already taken out from the old pots. I am now adding 4 kgs of coca peat. I am now adding 5 kgs of cow dung manure. I bought this cow dung manure from a milk seller nearby home. I have to clean all plastics, glass piece and other unwanted particles from the cow dung manure. I am now adding around 7 kgs of goat manure which I brought from our agricultural land. Let me now mix the soil and manure properly. I had about 3 kgs of vermicompost which I bought some time back and added into it. I did not open the bag which I bought recently. I am mixing everything together once again. Okay, everything is properly mixed. I will fill the buckets with the soil mix. I filled 7 buckets with the soil mix I prepared. I brought all the 7 buckets from the terrace to our home and adding Pseudomonas, which is a fungicide. 2 to 3 teaspoons of Pseudomonas is sufficient per 20 liters paint bucket. Each bucket has around 15 kgs of soil mix. I am now adding 1 handful of neem cake powder to all the pots. This will help to prevent plants from leaf miner problems to some extent. I am now adding eggshells powder. It is a good source of calcium. Adding this into potting mix will help plants like tomato plants to prevent from blossom end rot disease. The buckets are now moved to the garden and arranged. I am now mixing the eggshells powder and soil. I am now sprinkling WDC solution so that the microorganisms will help the organic manure added to the soil to decompose faster. I will also sprinkle fish amino acid and leave it for a week or 10 days and then sow seeds. I am planning to sow some vegetable seeds, gourds like bottle gourd, ridge gourd and bitter gourd seeds. Also some flowering plants so that I can collect seeds and share them with friends. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my organic gardening channel and enable bell notifications so that my experience in gardening will reach you faster. I will also be sharing seeds through videos.